you didn't start.
All right, so the recording has begun. This is day number 3. Sorry, day number 2, week 4 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here. What I'll do is I'll continue from where we left off. We were on, we're looking at this question. Yes, Diana.
My mom said when she went there, the room was dark to pick up my Glat book and no one was there.
So how come she didn't call me?
I'm not sure.
Mr. Petit, I just changed location.
All right. Don't worry, I'll get in contact with us so we get your book. All right, so what was the answer for this one? Which one is the ratio?
A.
2 to 3. Very good. All right, next one. We have, next question is, yeah, we're looking at the mode. What do we say is the mode again? Anyone can remember?
Is
You said it was
it's the value of the number.
No.
you had the word mode and then you had the equal sign and then it said this is the number and then you stop.
So this is the number that this is a number that that appears the most. So this is the number that appears the most. That's what the mode is. The number that appears the most frequently. So the mode is the number that appears the most frequently. So which number from this list appears the most frequently?
4.
No, not 4. We're not looking at the games, we're looking at the scores.
88.
DeAndre, which number appears the most?
86.
86. How much times does 86 appear?
3 times.
Very good. How much times does 88 appear?
3 times.
Very good. So we have 2 modes, right? So there are 2 modes in this data set because we have 2 numbers that appears 3 times. So 86 appears once, 2, and 3. And 88 also appears 1, 2, and 3. So that means that 88 and 86 appears the most. So the answer is 88 and 86. We're gonna say 86 and 88. Javon, remember when you're writing, write neatly, please. Because you have a habit of writing it in the improper way. Gabe, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. What is the mode?
Mode. This is the number that appears the most.
Very good. So what is the mode again?
The mode is the number that appears the most.
Very good. And in this question, what are the two modes?
86 and 88.
Very good. Candasia, what is the mode?
The mode is the number that appears the most.
Very good. What two numbers appears the most in this data set?
86 and 88.
Very good. Diana, what is the mode?
Mode. This is this is the number that appears the most.
Very good. What is the number that appears the most in this question?
86 and 88.
Very good. Javon, what is the mode?
Is the number that appears the most.
Good. What is the number that appears the most? What two numbers appears the most in this question?
86 and 88.
Very good. 86 and 88. So they are the mode. All right. Can we move on to the next question? Are y'all still writing?
You can move to the next question. I'm finished.
Okay.
What you doing? Why you with your kids me, I'm finished too, and you put it in the chat.
Good. All right. All right. Someone mic is on.
That's Gabe's mic.
All right. All right, Gabe. What is the mode?
The mode is the number that appears most often.
Very good. And which two numbers are the mode in this question?
86 and 88.
Very good. All right, so let's move on to the next slide. Candace, are you finished writing?
Yes, I was ever finished writing.
All right, good. Let's go to 7B. All right, the next thing that we want is we want the median. Does anyone know what the median is?
When you order the numbers,
Okay, when you order the numbers, and what else?
and then you add them.
No. You don't always add them. What do you do? What do you when you order them? After you order them, what do you do?
You can multiply them.
No.
My teacher told me that you have to add them. That's the only way she taught me.
No, don't lie on the teacher. That's not what she said. You probably think it was something else. Yes, go ahead.
Excuse me, it's separating from.
Say it again.
Is it like separating numbers from to like the higher thing?
No.
Oh yeah, and you circle the middle one.
Very good. You circle the middle one.
I
So you-
forgot.
So you arrange the numbers from least to greatest and you circle the middle number.
Middle one.
Good.
So,
So
Mr. Petit,
yeah,
are you writing all the numbers? So they have the game and the scores, or just the scores?
just the scores.
Okay.
So the median, let's write down what the median is first before we do anything.
Okay.
It's not okay. It's either yes or no, sir.
Yes, sir. Are you writing it on the answer line?
No. Wait until I answer it, please. Can you give me a chance to answer it? Tedrinique? Come on, man. Stop being in a rush. So we have the median now. The median is what we call the middle number. So So this is the middle number.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
Can I use the bathroom, please?
Yes, quickly. Don't want to take long because we have to do this.
Excuse me, Mr. Patil, I wrote it already.
All right, so let's look at the median. So we have 80. But the range it from least to greatest. What's the smallest number?
68.
68, very good. And after 68, we have what?
86.
86. How much times do we write 86?
3 times.
3 times. Sixty-eight, 86, 86, 86. Then we have
88.
8.
we have 88.
Now we write 88 3 times as well.
Yes, right, 88 3 times. Make sure Tetranik, your mic is muted. Make sure mute your mic, please.
Sorry.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay to my phone because I'm lagging? Like,
Okay. All right, sure, no problem. So is that all numbers that we have? 7.
Yes, sir.
All right, good. So let's connect 68 and 88. And we have 86 and 88. Then we have 86 and 88. So if we made the connection, what is the middle number?
86.
86, very good. 86 is the middle number. So the median is the middle number. Kirk, do you have this written down?
Not yet.
Kirk, what is the median?
The median is the middle number.
Good. What must you first do before you find the median? You must what? Arrange the numbers how? Kirk, how must you arrange the numbers in order to find the median? Hello?
Yeah, I'm still here.
You must arrange them from lowest to what?
Highest.
Good. So please remember that. And then you have to pick the what?
I have to pick the middle number.
Very good. Number. Candeja, what is the median?
The median is 86.
No, what is the median? Like, what is the median by definition?
This is the middle number.
Good. How do we find the median?
We find it by looking in the middle too. See, we have to write it from lowest to greatest.
Yeah,
Lowest
that's correct. Lowest to greatest. And then what we have to do? We have to do what? So what? Find the one in the what?
We have to find the number in the middle.
Very good. A number in the middle is called the what?
It's called the median.
Diana, what is the median? What is the median?
The median is the middle number, and
Good. What
and the answer is 86.
good. What must we do in order to find the median?
Follow me.
What must we do in order to find median?
We should put it from least to greatest, and we use the lines, and we see, and 86, and the median is always in the middle.
Good. So we have to first arrange them from least to greatest, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. And then find the middle number. All right. Ariana, what is the median?
The middle number.
Very good. What must we do in order to find the median?
Arrange
numbers.
the numbers from lowest to greatest.
Very good. Question. After we finish arranging from lowest to greatest, what must we find?
The middle number.
Very good, the middle number. And we call the middle number the median. All right, let's move on to the next question.
Mr. Petit, I didn't get to read it yet.
Do you know how to do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. What is the median?
The median, this is the middle number.
Good. How do you arrange the numbers when you do a median?
You have to arrange it from least to greatest.
Very good.
Then you look, and then you count, or you can look and find the middle number.
Very good. And the middle number is the median. Javon.
Yes, sir.
Are you done with this? Javon, are you done with writing this?
Some with it.
Pardon?
Yes, sir. I almost done. I have numbers, so you can change it.
Okay. I also put the working in the chat.
Yes, sir.
Gabe, where's Gabe?
Yes, sir.
What is the median?
The medium is the one that appears most often.
That's
I
not
mean,
true.
The
What
mode
is the
is
median? Not the mode, the median. What's the median?
This is the middle number.
Very good. What must we do to the digits before we find the middle number?
We have to order them up to least to greatest.
Very good. And then we have to find the one in the what?
Middle.
Very good. All right, let's move on to question number 7. C. Diana, read this, please.
Insert the parentheses into the equation to make the statement true. 5 plus 7 and divided by 3 equals 4. We will put the parentheses between 7 divided by 4.
All right,
And
so we have
7 divided by
defined,
3.
we have to insert the parentheses to make the statement true. So we have to figure out where to put the parentheses. Now, if we put the parentheses, let's say that we put the parentheses here, right? If we put it here, what is 7 plus 5?
12.
12, very good.
Wow.
And what is 12 divided by 3?
4.
4, very good. So the answer is we have to put the brackets between 5 and 7 to cover 5 and 7. So the answer is 5, open bracket, 5 plus 7. Because we want to do that operation first. 5 plus 7. Divided by. So divided by 3 equals what?
4.
Equals to 4. Very good. And that's how you answer. Because 5 plus 7 is 12. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. Kirk, you understand why you put it between 5 and a 7?
Yes, yes, sir.
All right. All right, so we put the brackets, parentheses between the 5 and the 7.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, I'm finished.
All right, great. So again, we put the parentheses between the 5 and the 7, and we divide by 3 to get 4.
I'm finished writing it down. Excuse me.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
All right. Next up is,
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
go ahead.
Can you send me in the chat, please?
Sure, I can.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, can I read number 9, please?
Sure, no problem. All right, so we put the parentheses between the 5 and the 7. DeAndre, can you explain why we put the parentheses between the 5 and the 7? DeAndre, where's DeAndre? DeAndre, are you there? Okay, I can't hear from DeAndre. Deanna, explain why is the parenthesis between the 5 and the 7?
It's between the 5 and 7 because we can't put it between steps. We can't put it between 7 divided by 3 because if we put 7 divided by 3, we are not gonna get the right answer. So we have to put 5. So we have to put the parentheses by 5 and 7, and then we say 5 plus 7 is 12, and what divided by 12 divided by 3 is 4.
Very good. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And that's how we get our 4. Thank you, Deanna. All right. Let's move on to question number 9. Go ahead. Go ahead, Candasia.
You're saying use the diagram to answer question 9. Write the letter of the
Polyhedron.
Polyhedron to show that shows a prism.
Very good. So you want to write the letter of the polyhedron that shows a prism. Which one shows a prism? Is it A or B? Anyone can answer.
B.
B?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think it's B.
Yes, sir.
Why do you think it's B?
Because a prism is shaped like a triangle, and B looks like a triangle, like a pyramid.
B looks like a pyramid.
Yes, sir.
Is that a prism though?
Oh, yes, sorry.
Is that a prism?
I think A is a prism.
A is the prism. Not.
Question.
A. I think A.
It is A.
Question.
Go ahead.
I don't have to draw that, right?
Yes, you have to draw it. If you don't have the book, you have to draw it.
Oh, so I have to draw it. Okay.
So the correct answer is A. A is a prism. B is not a prism. B is not a prism. A prism, you know how you know it's a prism? Because it has the same shape at the bottom as well as the top. So it's a prism because it has the same shape at the bottom as well as the top. This one has a shape at the bottom, but that's not the same as the top. So it's not a prism. So the one that is a prism is A. What's her name? Ariana, which one of these shapes is a prism?
A?
A. Why is A a prism and not B?
Because A is a hexagon.
A is not a hexagon. The reason why it's a prism is because it has the same shape at the bottom as well as the top. So notice we have the same two-dimensional shape that's at the bottom is the same one that is at the top. All right. But here, the same two-dimensional shape that's at the bottom is not at the top. We have a sticky top. So it's not a prism. Do you understand that, Ariana?
Yes, sir.
So why is A a prism?
Because A has the same shape as the bottom
As well as the what?
top.
Very good. So top and bottom, it's the same shape. That's what makes it a prism. So the correct answer is, here is 8.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I can't draw them too. I mean, I don't know how to draw them.
Well, you could trace. All right, so I'll put in the chat and you can trace it. All right, let's move on to number 9B. Go ahead, Janique, read it for me, please.
Pardon? You want me to read it?
Yes, I do.
I didn't hear you because it was kind of glitchy. Okay, complete the table to describe the solid picture shown. Solid picture, okay, of edges, of verticals.
Vertices, not that's vertices.
Vertices. Sorry, I remember how to do this.
So how much edges does this shape have?
Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many edges?
5 edges.
I think it's 5. Anyone else? What do you all think? How many
Because
edges?
there are
How
4
many
at the
edges? How many
4
edges?
edges.
4,
4 or 5?
5,
5.
5 or
Excuse
4?
me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
May I use the bathroom, please?
5,
Sure.
5.
5 edges or 4?
Mr. Petit, can I tell you why it's 5 edges?
4,
4? Okay. Ariana, what you think? 4 or 5 edges?
there's 5 edges.
5 edges.
DeAndre, are you there?
Yes, sir.
How many edges does the shape have?
5 edges.
I think 5. How about you, Kirk? How many edges does the shape have? 5 or 4?
It has 5.
5. Okay. So let's count. So we have. Make sure mute your mic. Make sure mute your mic if you're not speaking. All right, so let's go. So let's count the edges. We have 1. We have 2. We have 3 in the back there. 3. We have 4. So again, we have 1, 2, 3. Let me count again. I miscount. So let's start with the back. This one in the back. 1. That one in the back is 1. 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7. And then 8. So how much edges do we have?
8.
8
8.
edges. 8 edges. 8 edges. There are 8 edges. All right, so let's count it again. All right, so this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so 8 edges. How many vertices do we have?
What's vertices?
Vertices is like those.
4.
Vertices is like those sticky points. Sticky points at the end. That's what I mean by vertices. Those sticky points at the end.
Oh, there are 5 vertices.
5.
Yes, sir.
Let's count. We know we have 8 edges.
Mr.
This is
Petit,
1.
I
Give me a
thought
chance. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 8 vertices and 5 edges. So it has 8 edges and 5 vertices. All right, let's move on to the next question. Question number 11. Before we go to question number 11, this is showing you how much, this is what we call a square-based prism. It's showing you the number of faces and vertices does it have. Say a square-based pyramid is a 3-dimensional shape with what? 4 flat triangular faces, 1 square face, 8 edges, and 5 vertices. All right, so remember, the square-based prism has what? 8 edges and 5 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 vertices. All right. Moving right along. Let's go to this one. Read this one, Ariana.
The diagrams below.
Go ahead, Ariana. Read.
The diagrams below show high tension electrical wires. Name the type of geometrical line that is shown in each of the diagrams.
Okay, so for A, we have, you see the lines going straight, right? They don't touch each other.
Yes, sir.
So we call that parallel lines, right? So if they don't touch each other, if they never meet, we call that parallel lines. Because parallel lines never touch each other. So parallel lines is the answer for this one. Parallel lines. And then the next one we have Next we have so after parallel lines, how about B? Does B intersect? So for B, does it intersect?
Yes, sir.
Good. So since it intersect, we're gonna call them what? Intersecting lines.
And this,
Okay, intersecting line. So the first one is parallel lines. The second one is intersecting lines. One moment. All right, if you have this, please send this to me via WhatsApp, and then you can leave. If you have this, please send it to me via WhatsApp, and then you can leave. I have to leave early.
Excuse me, can you put it on the chat for me? I'm not finished.
Okay, sure, no problem.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
My mom's not here.
Okay, when she arrives, then send it to me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Bye.
All right, take care.
Bye.
All right, take care.